Welcome to our journey of mastering public speaking, a challenge many find daunting. Did you know more people fear speaking on stage than death itself? It's a startling statistic, but one we're here to change. Stage fear, or glossophobia, is a common hurdle, yet overcoming it can unlock a world of opportunities. Imagine stepping onto a stage with confidence, your message clear and impactful. In this video, we'll explore why conquering this fear is crucial, not just for professional success, but personal growth too. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, a speech, or just want to communicate better, we're here to guide you. Take a deep breath and embark on this transformative journey with us. Together, we'll learn how to turn those nerves into your greatest asset. Let's dive in and discover how you can become the speaker you've always aspired to be. Ready to begin? Let's get started. Preparation is the cornerstone of mastering public speaking. Before stepping onto the stage, it's crucial to be well prepared. Think of your speech as a journey, and preparation is the map that guides you. Start by organizing your thoughts and crafting a clear outline. This will boost your confidence and ensure you stay on track. Practice is where the magic happens. Stand in front of a mirror or gather a small group of friends. Rehearse your speech until it feels natural. This familiarizes you with your own words and helps reduce anxiety. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now let's talk about tools. Notes or cue cards can be your best allies. Use them wisely to jog your memory without disrupting your flow. Place key points and transitions on cards for quick reference. This technique helps keep you focused and lessens the fear of forgetting. By integrating these strategies, preparation becomes your superpower, transforming stage fright into speaking prowess. As we continue our journey to public speaking mastery, remember that each step you take in preparation is a step toward confidence and clarity. Next, we'll explore building confidence from within, ensuring you stand tall and speak with assurance. As we delve into the heart of public speaking, remember this: confidence is vital. It's the spark that ignites your speech and captivates your audience. But how do we build it? Start with positive affirmations. Tell yourself you are capable and believe it. This belief forms the bedrock of your confidence. Next, visualize your success. Picture yourself on stage, delivering your message with poise and clarity. This mental rehearsal prepares your mind for the real experience, reducing anxiety. And when it's time to speak, control your breathing. Deep, steady breaths calm the nerves and center your thoughts. Remember, confidence comes from within. By mastering these techniques, you transform fear into fuel. These are not just steps, they are a journey towards becoming the speaker you aspire to be. As you practice, you'll find that each word flows more naturally and your presence becomes more commanding. Keep these tools in your arsenal as we move to the next phase, engaging with your audience. Together, we'll explore how connection enhances communication. Stay with us as we continue this path to mastering public speaking and overcoming stage fear. Imagine standing before an audience and feeling connected, not afraid. In this segment, we'll explore the power of engaging with your audience. Making eye contact isn't just about looking, it's about connecting. It tells your audience that you see them, and more importantly, that you value their presence. Use gestures to highlight key points, transforming your words into a visual story. Gestures can breathe life into your message, helping it resonate and stick. But engagement goes beyond just sight and movement. Invite interaction. Ask questions that spark curiosity or provoke thought. When you engage effectively, you create a two-way dialogue that reduces your fear and enhances communication. By making your audience part of your journey, you empower them to connect with your message on a deeper level. So next time you stand on stage, remember, your audience is not just listening, they are part of the story you tell. Up next, we'll conclude with how you can bring all these skills together to master public speaking. As we conclude our journey towards mastering public speaking, let's reflect on the steps we've taken. Overcoming stage fear begins with preparation. Practicing your speech in front of a mirror or with friends builds a solid foundation. Then, cultivate confidence through positive affirmations and visualizing success. These mental techniques, combined with controlled breathing, can significantly ease anxiety. Next, engaging your audience is crucial. Eye contact and gestures bring your speech to life, while inviting interaction keeps listeners involved. These strategies not only enhance communication, but also diminish fear. To truly master public speaking, regular practice is essential. With each attempt, you'll find your confidence growing and your fear diminishing. Consistency is your ally on this path to success. If you learned something new from this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your loved ones. And if you want to keep mastering new skills every day, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. Remember, mastery is within your reach with determination and practice. Master it now. See you in the next one.